Hi, welcome to our weekly website development challenge. So last week we did a website on politics in Kenya. It was mheshimiwa.co.ke. So far the reception has been good and we look forward to improving it. For this week we have a new website. It's called automat.co.ke. This project has been sponsored by Finatrack Global Limited, which is licensed with the Communication Authority of Kenya as a provider of vehicle tracking and other app-based vehicle or rather GPS solutions. So through this project, we'll be able to look at how we can create an e-commerce platform for the vehicle industry, where you'll be able to trade vehicles. This is related to the buying and selling of vehicles online. You'll also be able to incorporate vehicle hire, so the platform will support vehicle hire services through the online platform. You'll also be able to purchase financial solutions related to the vehicle, such as insurance and asset finance, and also additional working capital loans, such as logbook loans, through a singular platform. Later on, we'll advance this into a mobile app. We'll be able to download it through the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So to learn more, click on the link below. The course will be available online for you to follow up, and also for the advanced users on the platform, you'll also be able to interact on a one-on-one basis through the learning process. So see you inside. My name is Joseph Mungi. I'm the founder of FinaHost Online Solutions, where we develop web-based or rather tech startups here in Kenya.